So, hi, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the second day of our lecture today about the tax accounting. And before we proceed to the lecture, may I remind you that first, please turn off your cell phones to a silent or vibrate mode so we can have a smooth lecture. And if you have to answer an important call, you may step out of the room so that you can go back inside. And for our forthcoming seminars, on November 10, we will have the Supervisory Leadership and Development, which will be held at the SMX Mall of Asia. You can register outside at the registration area. Plus, the 39 ways to close more sales on November 29. And the 34 year-end tax tactics and tax planning on December 8 to 10. So if you're interested, you can approach us at the registration area. Plus, we're offering on how to hire and fire employees. It's a video presentation, so if you're interested, you can also buy these outside. Plus, we're offering the Graft and Corruption book for an affordable price of 550 pesos. And the tax code, you can also buy these outside. So, without further ado, may I introduce to you Mr. Romelda C. Gloria, CPA and MBA.